Stop wasting your time creating the same discounts over and over again. This is how you can set a percent off, BOGO discounts, and much more with this plugin and let it do the rest of the work for you. The plugin we're going to be using is one that I created. It is easy to use and it's going to save you a whole bunch of time and be linked in the description below. So to start, you go to WooCommerce, Sales Scheduler, and there's two ways to start a discount. You can click this button up here, select the type of discount you want, or if you want it to be starting on the 9th, click on the 9th, and we're going to start with simple sale. Great. And you can add products from here by typing in the SKU, the ID, or whatever you want. You can add them one by one, or if you have a whole category you want to put on sale, you can add the whole category and all their variations at once. And how you discount it quickly is you can reduce by set amount, or percentage, or a fixed price. So we'll do 10%. Apply. And you hit save. Now you can move it around and the amount of days you want it. We're going to move it till today, and now all of it will be automatically set on sale today. And as you can see, you can right click, you can hit copy, analyze, analytics, duplicate, or delete. So we're going to copy it, paste, and you can have it same discount in about a month. Super easy, super quick. All the discounts will happen in the background now. You don't have to worry about it. That is not the only discount rule that we have. We have another one called buy Y, get X. Here we can click on that. And we can start typing and searching just like the other discount. Cap. You can also say I want them to buy 2 before they get a for free. And again, you can set the quantity there, the percent you want discount, and save. Same thing, you can extend it. You can copy analytics and everything. Super easy and such a time saver. Now there are settings for this because you're going to want to let your customers know. You can customize a little badge on your shop page. You can customize what it's going to say, and you can enable a pop out to make sure they know they need to add them all to the cart. So we'll do that. And now we're here on the shop page. We're going to click add to cart. And it's going to prompt the user to add another one to the cart to get the discount. There's a couple more discount rules that we have. And I'm going to click on the day. And there's free product. This one, you give a name. Set the start end date and how much they need to spend to get a free product. Say $300. And we can type in product we want to use. And after $300, they will get this product for free. And you can set exclusions and select products that don't count towards that $300 if you like. There's also a discount for total spend. And this is pretty much the same as the other one. It's just that you can choose a fixed amount or percent off in their cart after a certain amount, and the same thing you can exclude. So you get tons of discount rules, and all this is easy and simple to set up. This plugin also has a whole bunch of features to help you stay organized. You can hide all the different sales types if you just want to focus on one. You can also view it in a list view for the current month. And there's a dashboard to see how all your sales are doing currently and give you an idea how the month is going. You can also, again, check it out individually to see if you want to run this discount again in the future. All these things are super powerful and helpful to keep your discounts going and to help you make informed decisions in the future. If you're tired of wasting all your time discounting products manually, grab this plugin. If not, tell me which plugin you like better or what features you like to see in the future, and like and subscribe on this video if you want more content like this. And we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.